How to add international contact phone number in WhatsApp. In order to do that, you may follow up the simple steps. So open up your WhatsApp application, and then once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now from the given interface, what you can do is simply head over to the new contact option, which is right in the bottom right corner. Tap on it and this menu appears. Now from the given menu, you can select the option called new contact. Tap on it. And after tapping on new contact here, you will be finding first name, last name, and a country code option. So in order to add an international chat, all you gotta do is drop down this country code option. After that, select up the country code of whose you want to add the phone number. For example, if you want to add United Kingdoms, tap on United Kingdom. And then in this phone number section, you need to enter up the phone number that you would like. After that, hit enter and tap on save, and your phone number should be added, the international ones, in your contacts on WhatsApp. So that's it for now. You may follow up this method. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.